Okay, so what we're doing two product reviews today. We got these from Sprouts. They're called Ozery Bakery. They are snacking rounds made with cranberry and oranges. They're truly delicious, especially with toasted. And what we're going to do is we're going to toast these and we're going to apply to them Leonaso Sundried tomatoes. All natural, vegan, no cholesterol, with bruschetta in extra virgin olive oil. Now I've had this before and this is a magnificent product. So what we're going to do is we're going to toast these, put on the sun-dried tomatoes on, and it'll be a nice quick little snack. Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living! You see how these are? There's about 14 of them. You cut them in half, you have 28, and you can have a quick party. There's a lot of ingredients to this particular little thing, but I think that it would be a good product. And they have freeze for freshness, which is what I did. I pulled this out a couple days ago and let it costs each little bun. You can see how small it is 70 calories, no fat, no saturated fat, no trans fat, no polyunsaturated fat, no monounsaturated fat, no cholesterol, 70 milligrams of, so you cut it in half, it'd be 35, so you could go to a party and have 35 calories. It has 35 milligrams of potassium, 14 grams of carbohydrate, 1 dietary fiber, 2 sugars, and 2 proteins. I think this is a fun little thing. So here we try it. We're going to open it up, brand new bag. I said I got this at Sprouts, but I think I got it at Aldi's. I do a lot of buying at Aldi's. They're one of the stores that carry so many vegan products. Okay. Smells wonderful. I always like to smell the bag when I open it. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to get a plate, and I'm going to cut these in half. That should be kind of fun, huh? And then I'm going to put the rest of these, and I'm going to make other meals with it. But you can warm these up. They taste really good with jams. You can do a lot of things with these little breads. So I finally got the new bamboo boards. I've been using these plastic ones for a long time. I mean, I still like using the plastic ones. It's just that when I'm doing a video, this is a lot cleaner looking than my plastic ones. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut these with my $2 knife. Just be careful not to cut your fingers. Take your time. See? And then we're going to toast them in the toaster. And my toaster does basically 2 pieces of bread, so maybe we might get 4 of these in. Sometimes rolling it makes it easier to cut. So next what we're going to do is we're going to go to my red toaster. So if you've watched me for any length of time, you know that I like red, and I saw this toaster and I just jumped for it. Okay, we're going to put these little breads. Now you're going to probably have to pull these out with a fork because they're going to be hot, and you can see they're at the high setting right now, so you know you're not going to be able to stick your hand in there. And then when you press it down, it goes down. It captures both sides of it. This is to prevent, you know, you can toast on both sides. It's not going to take very long. I like to have my bread fairly toasted, fairly stiff, but that's just me. Alright, so we'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, so the little breads are ready, so I'm going to use my knife to get it out. And they're hot. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the sun-dried tomatoes right away, so that these are nice and hot. We just put these other 2 in on each side. Make sure that they don't, and then push it down, and that one's ready. And then for this portion, first thing we have to do is we have to open it up. And it's being difficult. Boy, that was really hard, but listen, what I do always is I test it, just in case. And it tastes pretty much like what I expected, sun-dried tomatoes. And then I'll be putting it on this fancy plate. And it's really simple. Don't use the same spoon, but for me it's going to be a little different. And just put a liberal amount of the tomatoes on top. Now if I had vegan cheese, I could use that also. Okay. Now you can go out of your way to make it pretty, but I think you get the message. You just simply, you have plenty in this jar to do all kinds of things with it, and you put it on a toast like this, and we're going to test it out. Now the bread is very nice and soft right now, and with the addition of the cranberry that's within the bread, it's just absolutely delicious. But then it's got the topping of the sun-dried tomatoes, and it makes a very nice snack. Now if I had some olives, I could put over the top of it to decorate it further. So this is just a quick snack idea to be able to make a quick appetizer, super simple to make. The bread's already done for you. You toast it, you put the sun-dried tomatoes on it, maybe the other set is ready right now. My guests are going to be coming here in about 5 more minutes, and it'll just disappear. Remember that I believe that this bread is even better when toasted or when it's baked, but it's also good raw, I mean in its natural form. Alright, so this is just a beginning idea of what the plate is going to look like. Once you open this, you must refrigerate it. Now you could do this. You could get a portobello mushroom, take the stem off, keep the stem for your soups, and make a slice of it, and just lay it on top. And what that would do is it would give the mushroom, it's like, and it gives you another taste that you can do for this snack, or in this case, this party favor. And you can, if you watch me, I'm only using one mushroom. And I have one here to taste, but I'll just put it on top of here. So that's just a side thing that you could do to be able to, and you'd have this entire plate full of little breads, and then this, whatever, it took me less than 5 minutes to scoop it out, to toast it, and to put the mushroom on. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you again. Bye-bye.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.